Good morning, Miss
Morning, Miss
Lola.
Lola.
Please have a seat on the mats. I've placed them far apart so we can practice social distancing. Welcome to Lola's Sneezing School. Today, we're going to learn how to sneeze and cough correctly.
There's actually a correct way to sneeze?
Yes, there is. And raise your hand to ask a question next time. Now, if we sneeze correctly, we won't spread our germs around.
Yes, Maman?
What if we don't have any germs?
We all have germs, Maman. You could even have a mild case of a virus and not even know you're sick.
Thank you, Lily. But I'm the teacher, and I didn't call on you. Why don't you sit over here where I can keep an eye on you?
But I was correct, right?
Yes, you were correct. Now,
Kensington? Gross.
now some of you, and I'm not naming names, don't just sneeze, you spray glop all over. What if you had the virus, Kensington? You would have spread it. That's why, when you sneeze,
Or cough.
Lily, if you keep speaking out of turn, I'm going to have to call your parents to pick you up. Now, when you sneeze or cough, you shouldn't just do it out into the world like Kensington. What should you do, class?
I know.
I figured you would. Anyone besides Lily? Okay, Lily.
Cough or sneeze into a tissue and then throw away that germy tissue and wash your hands.
Very good, Lily.
If you don't have access to a sink, you can use hand sanitizer and... Wait, what if you don't have a tissue?
It's a good thing you're in my sneezing school, Lily. You have a lot to learn. You should cough or sneeze into your elbow, like this. Now you try, class. A plus, everyone. Except for you, Kensington. You need to come in for extra help. So, in conclusion, cough and sneeze correctly, and together we'll keep from spreading germs. Class dismissed.